So what's your name?
My name is Bob Johnson.
And
No, I can't answer it like that. That's going to be so
I
bad.
know, right?
Hey guys, this is Bob Johnson, but most of you guys know me as Bob Mortgage. That's the brand. I got in the industry, 24 years ago, and it was really interesting how I got in. I was actually doing door-to-door sales, and I was selling desk phones door-to-door. And I happened to call on a mortgage company, and I stopped by to see this receptionist, and I said, "Hey, I made it a point to see Steve." So Steve comes back and he said, "I didn't have an appointment with you." And I said, No, I'm sorry, your receptionist misunderstood me. I said, "I made it a point to see Steve. I didn't say I had an appointment." Well, he actually liked that quite a bit, and he said, "Okay, let's go to the conference room and let's talk. What are you doing here? What's the deal?" And I said, "I'm here to talk to you about your telecommunications." And he's like, "No, we're going to get you into the mortgage business." And he told me about this mortgage industry, and it was great. It fit perfectly because of the sales, marketing, and finance perspective. And I said, well, this is awesome. How much does it pay? And he's like, "It's unlimited." And I finally understood that meant full straight commission. So when I went back to tell my wife I quit my job selling door-to-door telecommunications to get in the mortgage space, she was like, "That's awesome. That's amazing. How much does it pay?" I said, "It's unlimited." So here we are 24 years later. My wife and I work together, and it's just been an unlimited possibility and opportunities for us. And I'm grateful that I took that chance 24 years ago.